saving money on your preps, helping out others while you're doing it, and becoming better prepared. Hey everybody, I'm Michael with Asymmetrical Preparedness, and today we're going to talk about a bunch of different topics. But what am I getting at with getting yourself prepared, saving money while doing it? Okay, one of my favorite places to go for preps are thrift stores. We're going to talk about a lot of other stuff also though. I just want to mention this really quick. Goodwill, St. Vincent de Paul, other faith-based organizations that are like thrift stores. You save yourself a lot of money. I picked up what is now my favorite hoodie yesterday at Goodwill for $10 instead of like 50 or 60 bucks, you know, for a hoodie. That's just crazy. Not within my budget. We're very, very limited. And on that note, I want to talk to you about something I did recently again. And why I did it, and clarification of the situation. So, I did reapply and am reopening the Amazon Asymmetrical Preparedness storefront. Am I a hypocrite because I don't like Amazon and I talk about, you know, putting our money where our mouth is and not supporting places like huge things like Amazon, like YouTube, I mean, all these places, Walmart. If I had the money, I would love to shop all the little small local businesses made in the US, everything. But the fact is, I don't have that kind of money. Most people don't have that kind of money. And the fact is that most of us, we do, a lot of you do, we order stuff on Amazon. It's just a fact. So you know what? Haters can hate on me all they want, but you know what? I feel it's a really good thing because, like I said, we all use Amazon and it's just a fact of life. And I can provide a lot of good products in there, recommendations for you to help you become better prepared. So the storefront is now open, links in the description below. It's just amazon.com, whatever, Asymmetrical Preparedness. I have a bunch of different categories in there. Check them out, see if there's anything you want or that you like. I try to keep up on comments, so if there's anything particular that you would like to see added to the storefront, put it up. You know, tell me about it, and I'll try to get it added. So, what is good about going to my Amazon storefront also? Well, I earn 3% commission right now. That may grow if I get more sales, but what that does is the 3% goes to me to help me out, a fellow prepper, instead of Amazon just pocketing that money. So please go to my storefront or go to any other channel's storefront or links and stuff like that. Help them out, help the community out, help us all out for products and purchases that you're going to be making anyway. I'm not saying go there and buy stuff. I'm not trying to sell you anything. But if you're using Amazon anyway, check out what's in the storefront. You know, you might find some good stuff. All right, so with that said, we like saving money on prepping and the helping others part. That kind of goes along those lines. There's a lot of other prepper channels out there, especially the smaller channels. The larger channels are probably making decent money. I mean, I'm not, but you know, there are channels that are making a lot of money. So the smaller channels, it's really good to do things like that. If they have product links with companies, coupon codes that save you money, I mean, we're all here on YouTube providing this information and this value to you for free. So helping us and helping others like me is a good thing, I feel. Especially if you're going to be making the purchases anyway, why not help somebody out? But before I go into other topics, a lot of people, they always ask me, boy, what's that jacket you're wearing? Or something like that, you know? So I want to mention, this is my favorite go-to jacket. This is the Condor Summit Zero jacket. I love it. I love this jacket. It is my go-to jacket. It has a roll-up hood. It's got pockets everywhere. It's got the Velcro for your tactical patches. I don't wear them, but you know, if that's what you like. It's got the chest pockets. It's just a very nice go-to jacket. I've had the jacket for a long time. It looks brand new still. Yes, because I take care of my stuff and because this jacket just lasts. It works great. I love it. So if you're interested in low cost, but high quality tactical gear, also check out the link in the description below for Condor gear. Coupon code AP15 for good quality tactical gear. I'm actually going to be getting a new plate carrier from them pretty soon and upping my game in that category because of certain things that I want done differently. But Condor makes really good gear. It's not just airsoft gear. They're really up their game. So yes, this is the Condor Summit Zero. Like I said, I really like Condor. I don't talk about companies that, you know, I don't believe in 100%. So with that said, you see me doing things about products. Yes, different companies send me products and I test them and I'm 100% honest with you guys. I need to stop accepting some of those because this channel is not going to become a review channel like some have, you know. You probably know those channels. So no, I'm not. I'm putting out videos. I'm putting out good quality videos, not just talking about products. I am having to catch up on a backlog right now, so you may see more of those kind of videos also. But because I have to mention companies I wholly and wholeheartedly believe in, and I believe that medical is a very important thing for preparedness, please check out Jase Medical. Antibiotics are so important to have on hand. Prescribed to you from their doctors. Jase Medical. Coupon code and the link in the description below. That is a great company. They have a whole list of other medications also. So if you're looking for Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers for you, for the family, for friends, spread the word about preparedness, check out these things. I mean, Condor makes good stuff. Jase Medical, good stuff. There's a lot of good stuff out there. Amazon storefront, if you're looking for shopping ideas, it may be for your spouse or for anybody, like I said, check out our storefront. I will be adding stuff on a continual basis to that to make it a better experience for you guys. But anyway, keep prepping. Now is not the time to stop. Just because of current events that happened lately, one side thinks, okay, we can just take a breath. Well, yeah, take a breath, but keep on prepping because odds are the other side is not too happy about this. And odds are some things are probably going to be happening with that whole thing. So keep on prepping and hope for a better future, yes, but we got to take care of ourselves and provide for ourselves. That's why we're preppers, because we're proactive, not reactive. We have to think 1, 2, 3 steps ahead of everybody else. Remember that whole 19 thing? When everybody was rushing out of toilet paper and rushing out for toilet paper and hand sanitizer, I was picking up canned goods. Then when they moved on to the canned goods, I was picking up dry goods. You're staying ahead of the horde. That's very important. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I love you guys. Please subscribe, hit that like button, share the videos, comment below. Have a wonderful day, and blessings to you and yours.